So we've built a giant electromagnet hand.
It was designed by 6-year-old Fatima to stop thieves from stealing things.
And in this video, we're going to put it through its paces. He's trying to take the safe.
Let's go!
Kids invent stuff.
So, Fatima's invention showed her hand stopping someone from stealing a car, which is a big ask. And on her drawing, the hand is on the top of the car. Now, unfortunately, the metal on the top of the car isn't thick enough, so we're going to have to stick the hand underneath the car. But we're going to see if we can actually make Fatima's drawing work.
Okay, activate the hand. So we've got our magnetic hand attached to the bottom of the car, and on the other end, we've got it connected to these concrete blocks. And the idea is to test and see how much we can drive the car back before the hand falls off or sticks on, or we have no idea what's going to happen. So let's see, and Ruth is going to drive the car.
Let's do this.
Okay, we have taken up the tension, we are locked on, the magnet is connected, it's still attached to the bottom of the car.
Time for a giant magnet tug of war.
So it's totally working. The magnets are stuck on the bottom of the car. They're like properly magnetised to the bottom. The cable's tight. Ruth's trying to reverse, but she can't go anywhere. We've got our battery box connected, powering up our electromagnets, but let's properly put it to the test. Let's go backwards even more. Let's give the car more revs in reverse and see what happens. So it did let go, but it was holding on proper tight.
That was like literally the moment it went, it just like flew.
I think it was sort of sliding along, like the magnets were holding, but it was sort of sliding along the bottom of the car.
And as soon as it went, you could just feel that jerk.
Could you hear it when it was sliding?
Yeah.
So I guess now it's time to do another different test of Fatima's magnetic hand invention.
Let's go.
A little later.
So we've powered up Fatima's hand and we've attached it to this safe.
Which we filled with some fake gold and some money.
And we've posted a picture of that on our local community Facebook group.
Which has over 7,000 members.
So we're hoping someone's going to come and try and steal the safe.
Let's go. So we are hidden in the bushes.
And we are hoping to catch a thief trying to steal our safe.
So all we've got to do now is wait. Ow, I think I stung myself.
There's a guy right there.
He's trying to take the safe. The hand is not budging.
There's someone coming now. Okay, so a guy just tried to take the safe. He pulled on the hand and it just didn't come free. It was like properly stuck to the safe. And then he just like ran off when another person came. I feel kind of creepy. We're just like hid in the bushes.
It's like filming people in the bushes.
You know you've got a YouTube channel when you spend your time on the weekend hiding in bushes with cameras, filming people walking dogs.
I'm like covered in scratches.
There's a guy walking his dog literally along the path towards the safe right now.
The guy with the dog just completely ignored it.
The guy was like, there's always a safe here.
I feel like a spy. Like a really bad James Bond with a camera.
Oh, someone's coming. Shh.
Hey! You totally ran away. If we power it down, in theory, it should let go of the safe.
Got some very interesting looks, but it worked.
We have still got all of our money. So A huge thank you to Fatima for her amazing giant magnetic hand invention.
If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and check out some of the other crazy inventions we've built.
We will see you next time.
See you next week.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.